In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated time series visualization in Tableau. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a dynamic, visually engaging chart that's ready to showcase your data over time. Stick with me as we dive into this exciting journey of data visualization. First, let's start by opening the Tableau public app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the Tableau website. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to your worksheet. This is the canvas where all the magic happens. It's important to ensure your data is already uploaded and ready for analysis, so double check that everything's in place. Next, grab the order date from your data pane and drag it directly to the page's shelf. This is a crucial move as it will allow us to animate the data over time. By placing the date here, you're setting the foundation for a time series analysis. Now let's make this date work harder for us. Right-click on the date, select the filter option, and set it to a month granularity. This will break down the data month by month, providing a clear view of trends as they evolve. Moving on, we're going to add some key metrics to give substance to our visualization. Start by dragging the sales measure onto the column shelf. By doing this, you establish the axis for your chart and provide a structure for comparing sales performance over time. Next, bring in the profit measure and drop it onto the label shelf. This simple step allows each data point to display relevant profit numbers, giving viewers immediate insights at a glance. For our chart to really tell a story, we need to add categories. Drag the category dimension to the rows shelf. This ensures that your data is divided into broader groupings, creating a layered view of which categories of products or services are driving sales and profits. Take it a step further by dragging the subcategory dimension to rows as well. This will refine your chart even more, showcasing the individual contributors within each category. To add a splash of color and make your data even more distinguishable, drag the subcategory dimension to the color shelf. This helps differentiate the various subcategories at a glance, making the visualization not only more vibrant, but also easier to interpret. Each color represents a unique subcategory, which provides an intuitive visual cue. And there you have it. Now you can run your visualization by adjusting the play button on the page's shelf. This brings your data story to life as it animates month by month, giving an immersive experience into how your key metrics change over time. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that creating dynamic visualizations in Tableau has become a little clearer and more manageable. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.